Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, today I have a new and stylish paper faces decoration ideas, different frame decoration ideas. You can see different faces, unique for men, women, girls, baby boys, and different sketches designed for pebble art, pebble paintings, different beautiful stylish pebbles decoration for frames. I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can see more videos and press the bell icon. And you can see it is very interesting and creative art. You make this art, this table paintings and etc. So take care. Bye bye. See you.